Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters. Anywhere on the day, foreign, nearing, yard, greetings. The Spats coming to you again with our little talk. And today we're upon the final episode of Police and Policing. That no means me not gonna come back one of these times to talk about because I know we want to be leaders and we not show no leadership. So me not gonna let go of you. We just finish on them episode and do no a break. But me don't come back on you. So when me end episode 3 was, asking the police commissioner to rein some of you in. The rude one them, the dirty behavior, what them have, them need for haul up. Because it just can't continue like that. Mr. Commissioner, I'm sure you know. Now tell me, say you don't know, so the public they complain about them behavior. The public out there they complain every day about how them they deal with them. They not deal with the people them right. So now tell me you don't know about it. You must know about it. The superintendent, they must know about it. So them have to go fix that, man. Fix up how they deal with the public. If them can't get that done, things will look better. But it just can't continue like that. So remember what I say if you do. Monthly meeting. Whether you don't have it or, the superintendent don't have it, something have to happen because changes have to make. The public now feel good about it at all. The public now feel good about our behavior. Because at this stage of life, we should have passed them the same thing there. Them the kind of behavior what them have, them they sitting there shouldn't about no more. We shouldn't have to talk about them behavior. In them a civilized time here. I want them to know higher. So fix that up, Mr. Commissioner. Me call upon you to fix that. Miss Pats is telling you. Fix it. Talk to the other ranking member them. I know I'll work on it. So the other thing I want to talk about is the body camera them. The people them they complain. So them want to know if you wear the body camera. And not just wear body camera and if you put you on, turn you on and make a record. Because the people they complain say they do some wrongful things. Some of the killings what the police do to them, some of the youths them. People they complain say them they kill the wrong people sometime and all of these things, and some of them are no killer and all of these things. Me also know that the people them rude, and a whole heap of them know that them boy a bad man, gunman, thief, murderer and all of them sitting there. But if you do your work the right way and make the people them see on the camera, they will understand. Them need clarity. And most of you behave, the reason why you behave so bad towards the public, is because you know that the people them don't know the law. And that's the biggest thing, You know that the people them don't know the law, so you can't do anything you want. And then you take the gun as the thing while they hide behind and think that give you power. But you don't need to wear the camera higher. Where they make the people them see. Because what happen, for we people them rude. And so when you come in the area for just kill somebody, them just see you as killer. That's why I'm telling you say community policing is very important. Because when you go in the community and you clap with one boy, and the people them run out practically naked and they ball out say a murderer and all of them sinting and he never done nothing and he never have no gun pan him and no plant gun pan him. That is what most of them they say. And I don't think it is true some of the times. Some of the time it might be true, sometimes it might not be true. But prove it to them, prove them wrong. So make them see the camera, make them see what take place. And then we just shut up. Yeah, man, we don't need to do that because it is disrespectful and just low when them come out and they shout and they gallant bad and my son and he innocent and a lot of them know say a lie then they tell. Because one thing, the police now come for nobody who are innocent. That is the real thing. Now police now come for nobody who never kill somebody, never murder somebody, not no go so. And for people not have no discipline. And since who no now show them none, them they retaliating at the said way. Because only one time few people show some sort of respect and follow rules, and that is when they got the US Embassy. That is the only time. Because when they got the US Embassy, they farmline, they sit down nice, like say, you think them a church then they. A matter of fact, even at church, they wouldn't sit down and act like that. But then go there so and they show all the respect. If the people them tell them to bend over, then bend over. If they tell themselves to start peak with accent, then peak with accent. They can't even looking at the people in face. They show reverence. But them just no want to do it with their own. And a lot of that they come from uno policeman. And some of the policewomen them too. Because uno not show respect and so on the way uno treat the people. And so then after they treat uno. And them can only show respect once in their life at the US Embassy. And that is sad. Very sad. So when you get the camera them rolling, make the people them know say I know no lie and go on at the real truth. Make them see the truth. So they don't have to call you no murderer. In order to prevent them from calling no murderer, you know show them the truth. And the other thing, boy, it is a puzzle. It is a puzzle. Me want to know where you do with the gun them want to confiscate. Whether you pick up one gun tonight, 2, 3, to 100, 200. What you do with them gun there? The public want to know, not just me want to know. People want to know what you do with them the gun there. You for sure the public. Set up one place where you don't burn them or what. Make the public know and make them see say you get rid of them. But you can't just put it out in the news. Yeah. You confiscate X amount of gun. And after that, nobody don't know nothing. You don't know why? Because it gone right back on the road from some local dirty police boy them was sell it to the gunman them. That is where the problem is. And that's why nothing change. Nothing change. That is what them they do. Show the public higher. Say, no have the gun in a no have it. No get rid of them. That's all you need to do. Show them how you get rid of them. And make the people can't believe in that uno. But you can't just say, we found how many guns at the wharf, so I want to show some picture and all of these things, and then nobody no know nothing after that. Is it that lie they tell? It never happened, make it up? Or it gone back on the road? Because the thing about it, me don't know when them the gun they come in the country, not them up. I know all of them have enough bullet for last. So me want to know when they get the bullet there from who they sell it to them. Please, Mr. Commissioner, find out about that. Find out which one of your boy them they sell it. Because the whole of them say, they beggy. So, my money then they look. So then we go sell the bullet them. And you know say are true. The superintendent then know say are true. The whole of them know, but everybody they get money out of it. That's why we know they behave them the kind of way they. All it boil down to, we don't care about no country. Very shameful. Very, very shameful. Me wonder if we don't have a self-police department within the department. Me want to know that because me not think we don't have it. Because if we don't have it, we wouldn't they behave the way they behave. Yeah, if we don't have it, the police self-department, wouldn't they behave so? Because ranks to the hall, in and make a whole part change. Yeah, so me want to know if you don't really have a self-policing department. Because if you don't have a self-policing department, and you don't behave like that, sitting alright. Is either you don't have it, and you not use it, or you don't have it none at all. Because if you don't have it, you don't use it. That's why you decide to have that the department there. So that the department there, after them police boy there, what they don't have no respect, them get them punishment. The higher ranking punish them. That's so if you go. Because a lot of them are whole heap of police misconduct. They go on. Whole heap. A lot of these police, uno complicit. Uno in a collusion with the dirty gunman them. Because uno non have, according to uno not make enough money and uno licky. Uno hang out with them. And uno name out their money. And that's not right. You can't do that. So, Mr. Commissioner, you cannot have your police boy them. They beg. They thief. They hang out with gunman. That can't happen. And afraid when you hear about it, afraid to chat to them. You have to go deal with that because it is very shameful. You can't have police, they hang out with gunman. Then they thief. Yeah, police, they thief goat. Them a thief, them a murderer. And what can go so? Something is wrong, man. When they take them in the police school, you not check them out good. And then them fool you so good that when everything done then training and start work, you realize say at the wrong somebody you train. Come on, man. Get this self-policing department going. So some of them can go in a prison for 2 days, 3 days, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, and then we there. Discipline their ass. Because as we say, some of them not different than the gunman them. And you just cannot have that. We can't have that in the country. Then they act like say, them have leadership. When them are thief. Them they work with the gunman. What can go so? Nothing can go so higher. That's too shameful. You have to go fix up that, Mr. Commissioner. We don't need to have some serious meetings with them the higher rankings and discuss some of these behaviors. Because it have to change. And remember, the whole of we want a better Jamaica. And me want back my sweet Jamaica, and I know me alone want it back. Everybody want it back. And we can't have gunman them mash up and police them mash up. And what can go so? Nothing can go so. So, my idea and solution, me always throw it out. We need a self-policing department. We need the police commissioner for reigning some of you. And we don't need to tap beg. We don't prostitute. We don't need to show respect when we pull over people. Can't they call big man who can be no father? I mean, what boss and man, boy and dirty man, and no, you can't do that. So all of them they same thing, they will have to go change that. That have to change, that have to tap, change. Nobody change it, tap it. You have to show respect. This is a different time. We shouldn't have to deal with them the same thing now. This time is civilized. I mean, I don't know if you don't think civilization means having a phone. That is not it. Having a phone will help the situation because you know have you not even try Google the right things and try to figure out the right things. And as for the public, you know go all of you have phone. Go find out the laws of Jamaica. So you know one if you do right. Down know they hack stupid. And has to mama tap run up and down pan road and they ball out for murder say police kill no son because no know say them a murderer. So because the police come clap him when the day he ain't kill nobody, no, that no mean nothing. No mean one goddamn thing. For no behavior need to stop. We no need to tap do them the same thing there. And in the meantime, just as how we want the police them to have respect towards the public, we must do the same. Because sometimes someone they say, and sound good. The name one they call them, or some of the women them son dirtiness, so they come out of them out and then they describe the police. It's uncalled for. It's uncalled for. So, Mr. Police Commissioner, me lay out the things them what we expect when you can make some changes with. Remember, I talk about community policing, school visit from the police. It is very important. Them the something that will do so much good. And you reining the dirty boy them want to not have no manners. I'm sad. Just really call them dirty police boy. But some of them are really dirty police boy, because if they ain't dirty police boy, you know wouldn't they catch them on road with a gunman. And a whole heap of them you know they catch. Them a thief, them a robber, them a everything. So them dirty. And you know why I boil down to? You don't care about no country. That's it. You don't care about no country. From the lower rank to the higher rank, you don't care about no country. You just in there. They do the job. Forget money. Dirty money. One they take from people. They take it left, right, and center. All when they pull over people, they look money. Them they sit they need for tap. It's too shameful. So, you no need to do the right thing. Just do the right thing. Should never be any collusion with police and gunman. That you don't know who the difference. Come on, man. We have to do better than that. We really have to do better than that. We sweet Jamaica back. We can't have crime that tear it down. I mean, the cost of living is killing the people. And then the crime they kill the people. Come on, how that? Nothing can go so. So what? Is that a setup to get rid of all of the people and new kind of people come in? No man, nothing can go so. So we don't fix it up here. Fix it up. So remember what I'm saying now? This is the last episode on police and policing. But this is not the last on the topic of policing. May they come back on no ass. As soon as you jump out a line, me back on no ass. They jump out a line every day anyways, but this way hold for a while. Until me get back to no ass and get straighten out. Because this is all my spots want. Better policing than what they offer. Because what they offer right now is low. Very, very low. So, with all that being said, when you go and walk good, take care of yourself. Me catching up on another talk. My spots out.